Combining tracks using a blend mode. Blend modes are special ways for foreground pixels in clips on upper tracks to combine with background pixels in clips below them. The default blend mode is called normal. In this mode, the foreground image has a uniform alpha channel value across the entire image. The more opacity the foreground image has, the more strongly you will see those pixels in front of the pixels in the background. The best way to find out how blend modes work is to try them. Replace the current title in the Theft Unexpected sequence with the more complex title, Theft Unexpected Layered, in the graphics bin. You can replace the existing title by dragging the new item onto it while holding Option on Mac or Alt on Windows. Notice that replacing a clip this way retains the sequence clip keyframes you've added. Select the new title in the sequence and take a look at the Effect Controls panel. In the Effect Controls panel, expand the opacity controls and browse through the blend mode menu options. Right now, the blend mode is set to normal. Try a few different options to see the results. Each blend mode calculates the relationship between the foreground layer pixels and the background pixels differently. To quickly browse through the modes, hover the pointer over the blend mode menu, without clicking to open it, and scroll with your mouse wheel or trackpad. Try the lighten blend mode, for instance. In this mode, a pixel is visible only if it is lighter than the pixel behind it. Choose the normal blend mode when you have finished experimenting.